Have you ever wanted to experience paranormal activity for yourself? Perhaps you've wanted to go to a location and to be able to feel and sense what it's like to have spirit communication taking place. Authentically, I may add. Well, I've got a little bit of a secret. This Halloween, we've got something very special that's going to be taking place. Not only are we going to be doing a live stream from an event, we, my friends, are going to be taking some of you along with us. That being said, the tickets will be on sale very, very soon. And when they go on sale, we can only have a certain amount of guests. Point to note, if you are somebody who is serious about communicating with the spirit world and being able to see what it's like to feel, to see things moving around, to see things thrown, then it's going to be for you. If you are somebody who really aren't interested in having any spirit communication and you want to kind of bring the mood down of the party, listen, it's not for you. Seriously, don't think for 1 minute that if somebody's paid and they turn up with the wrong attitude, I won't turn you away, because I will, quite simply. I have a duty of care to ensure that each and every person on the tour has an experience that they will remember. And believe me when I say it, you will all remember it. But there's a little bit of the thing that we should cover first, right? First of all, it's going to be taking place in and around the Newcastle area. I can't disclose the location just yet, but I will very, very soon in an upcoming video. This is kind of to let each and every one of you know that this Halloween, you can all come and be part of my experiments. I know it's crazy, isn't it? You want to do an Ouija board session with Jordan? You want to come and stand in the pentagram and communicate as I'm talking Latin to the spirit world and to the realms? Guess what, my friends? You can come in on that. There's one thing that you've got to note though, right? This, whilst you might think it's all entertainment and it's glad, listen, I don't do that. I'm just here for the evidence. And there's one thing that I can see with the connection that I've got with the spirit world. The spirit world will come through. And each and every one of you will have very different experiences. But I can't dictate to spirit what they will do. I can ask them. I can request for them to do things. But please be under no illusion. I'm not selling you this paranormal dream. I'm going to give you an authentic experience. But what you have occurring for you during the night is going to be very different to what somebody else may. Depending on your clair abilities, depending on where you are at with the spirit world, it's going to be very different. Don't think for 1 minute that I'm telling you that 100% you are going to have things thrown around. You're going to see tables levitating. You're going to see all these. I can only be honest with you. I don't even know what the night has in store for us until I get there and then spirits start working with us. That being said, to every one of you who come onto the tour, please know that you will be on camera. And there's a lot of you that might not want to be on camera. It's literally for my evidence. That's why I do it. And I know a lot of you might not like it saying this, but when you come along on my tours, you become the experiments. Not in a nasty way, because it's a way that you are going to enjoy. But I get to work with spirit in a different way to show the world how the spirit world can work in conjunction with mankind. Therefore, I will have each and every person before you step foot into the venue signing a disclaimer. This isn't a disclaimer to say that if something goes wrong, it's your fault. What you've got to understand is a lot of you have been educated by Hollywood and entertainment, and you all believe that this is a game, that this is a joke. Then you come on one of my tours and then you think something is attached to you. You think that the spirit world are now following you home. The thing is what you've got to understand is with that is the fatal flaw within mankind's logic and within the psyche. The spirit world are already there. They don't need to follow you home. It's like, for example, I'll explain why a lot of you come on my tours and you feel that the spirit world have followed you home, or you think it's not for you. You have put your intent and you have put your drive, your wants, needs and desires into having spirit communication take. When you leave that location and the spirit communication has took place, do you think it just instantly switches off? No, of course it doesn't. It's like adrenaline, spirits say. When you go into a highly adrenaline state, and you're in a state of fight or flight, and maybe you've been in a fight or you've been in an argument and your heart's racing and your blood's pumping. When you come out of that engagement, does it automatically instantly stop? No, it doesn't. You're still on heightened alert. And this is the same. Each and every one of you know this. The experiments that we are going to be doing, we will be live streaming. The entire event is going to be live streamed to my YouTube channel. Also, we'll have my very good friend, evidential medium Caroline Tyndall, who's going to be coming along. We will be also streaming from her YouTube account. And we will be working with what you call demons, and we will be working with the spirit world. I will be doing some of the practices that mankind do to prove that there is nothing to be fearful for. Maybe we might even find some old religious texts or some sort of Latin chants and things that each and every one of you have been told not to do. I will do it because I have a good understanding. I will prove to each and every one of you working with demons is fun. It's great. It's amazing. It's everything and more than what your little hearts could ever imagine. So yes, if you are wanting to experience paranormal activity, and depending on when you found this video, it might have already happened. If it has already happened, then go and watch it because it'll all be on the paranormal playlist. So the next time we do a tour, you can come onto it. The venue, again, going to recap, it is going to be in the Newcastle Gateshead area. I'm not going to be disclosing it just yet. But that being said, tickets will go on sale. I will do an official announcement when you can get tickets. Tickets will be available via PayPal. It will be non-refundable. So if you do decide to get a ticket and you decide not to turn up, then we as the hosts, we've had to sell the ticket. We could have sold the ticket to somebody else, but obviously you've decided not to come, and then obviously we'd be out of pocket. And whilst it's not about money, it's also not about me cutting my nose off to spite my face. I've done a lot of different events before where sometimes people don't turn up and it's unfair for other people, and it's also unfair for us, because what you've got to remember is right, it's not about the money, but it's about having it so the venue pays for itself. Like me and my good friend evidential medium Caroline Tyndall put the money up front to get the event to be able to do what we need, and we shouldn't be out of pocket for wanting to give other people experiences. It's not the way that the world works. It's not the way that spirit world works. That's why we will be selling tickets and we will be making sure it's chargeable. The only thing that I will say to each and every one of you is come with a good attitude. Don't come with a bad attitude. Listen, seriously, and to any one of you who know that you wouldn't be allowed there and you still get tickets, you'll simply get turned away at the door. Like, I don't mess on. If you know that I don't want you there, do not buy a ticket. Seriously, because it's only yourself who you'll be doing yourself out. We don't want drama. We don't want any issues, problems that are going to spoil other people's nights. All we want to do is to prove without any shadow of doubt that the spirit world are there. And believe me, my friends, we are going to be doing pentagrams. We're going to be doing rituals, seances. We're going to be doing... And fun fact, actually, just to plug it in here, we're going to be doing 20 days to Halloween. The 20 Days to Halloween series is going to be a series where each and every one of you can learn. Every day is going to be a different way of communicating to the spirit world. And it's going to be a build-up. You get what I'm saying? So we're going to be building up to Halloween, and then it's going to be, it's going to be amazing. It's going to be live streamed. It's going to be video recorded. We might even go live on TikTok, tickety-talk. But yes, it's very exciting. We haven't done many this year, to be honest with you, right? We're plans. It shows you how life changes, and we had loads of plans to do. The paranormal is, to be honest, the paranormal is where my heart is at. Like, I love helping people. I love educating people on how to become a medium. But to me, I get my enjoyment and my pleasure out of asking the spirit world to throw things and feeling the spirit world coming through my body. And like, I'm like a kid in a candy shop. Like, seriously, I feel alive. It's great. I love it. And we were meant to be doing loads more of it this year, but life got in the way and we weren't able to do it. But this Halloween, there is no excuses. We will be hosting a paranormal event. And each and every one of you who get tickets, know that you are in for a treat. Seriously, some of the experiments that I've got coming, none of you have seen on this planet before. And each and every one of you, because you've signed your disclaimers, you'll be taking part. Don't get us wrong, right? Like, Spirit wanted us to address this. I know there's going to be a lot of you who want to come, and you might be thinking a bit like freaked out now that I've said that. You don't need to be scared. I'm not going to put you in any dangerous situations. I'm not going to make you feel uneasy. Yes, I might, make things happen in terms of generating energy and generating basically wanting to kind of play upon your emotions. For example, I'll give you an example here. We have a location where lots of activities happened. I may make noises in terms of, welcoming the spirit into that room, or I may kind of reenact the sounds that the spirits that were there may have heard, kind of effectively making forging a bubble with the energy. And as I'm doing my thing, you'll be experiencing everything that I'm doing, and the spirit world will be coming through you. I've got loads of mad experiments that I've not been able to do yet, and believe me, they are mad and they will work. And yeah, I'm looking really forward to it now. I cannot wait, to be honest with you. I love doing the tours. I really do. I need my own TV show. That's what I need. I need to be just traveling the world and just going to the most haunted places that mankind are terrified to go in. And I will happily go in there smiling with a little cheesy grin, because I can't wait. I know what waits for us. I know the energy that I work with. Yes. Stay tuned for an update of the video. Let me know down in the comment section below if you are wanting to come onto the tour, because it's going to be good for me to see how many people, or you can private messages on any one of my social medias. And until the next time, bye-bye for now.